Hello my technical friends, we are in TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 2.5.4 and we're going to view environment variables. So you have been having difficulties with some of your applications running properly on your Linux system. You suspect that some of your environment variables may not be configured correctly. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to view the value of the following environment variables: home, lang, shell, term. Then we're going to answer the questions that follow. So I think we'll go ahead and start a lab. So we'll just wait for the lab to load. Should, in case you need further details or further guide on how to pass any compTIA tester lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get a detailed one-on-one video guidance on how to pass any TestOut lab. Alright, so we'll still wait for the video to load, the lab to load rather. Alright, so the lab is loaded and we'll go straight up into the terminal. Alright, we're inside the terminal, so we're going to type in echo space variables let's see, we'll press enter, says null. Okay, so let's go again, echo space variable, no, home, press enter, echo lang, press enter, echo space shell, press enter, echo space term, and then we'll press enter. Alright, so let's answer any questions that we have here. What is the value set for home environment variable? So for home, the answer is going to be let's see. The answer is going to be this. And what is the value set for the lang environment variable? This is going to be this. And what is the value of the shell command environment variable is this. And what is the value set for the term environment variable? It is Linux. So go ahead and score lab. So in case you find this video helpful, you want to consider liking and subscribing and share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.